Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are watching this video upon its release, then I thought you should know that I have an ongoing Japan winter vlog series on my channel. So if you are interested, I'll link it on the description below. Please check that out. So obviously this video is related to my recent trip to Japan because I got these figures during my trip and I thought I would share them with you and share an unboxing video with you. So how this video will go is that I'm gonna give a bit of an update about this channel, and if you want to skip to that part, to the part of the unboxing, please feel free to do so. I'll also run you through some anime merch I got, which is not much, but I'm happy with my haul. Finally, I'll obviously do a short review of the pop-up parade figure of Giyu Tomioka and also the Ichiban Kuji figure of Levi Ackerman from Attack on Titan. I didn't realize there was like a tape on my wrist, so sorry if that was distracting. About this channel, like, I'm very much dedicated to keeping this channel alive, and in fact I have a few content that I have planned. So aside from my trip, which really covers my 8-day trip to Japan last November 25 to December 2, which is pretty recent if you're watching this video upon its premiere, but I really want to share that trip with you because it was my first time in Sapporo, and then we also did a quick stop in Tokyo. Now for book related content, obviously this channel started out as a book review channel and I intend to upload book reviews every now and then. I actually shot a video reviewing my favorite Korean books, but unfortunately the quality of that video was really bad. Like, the lighting was too dark and then the audio was not good. I felt like the video was a little bit too rushed. So obviously right now I just want to resolve into like reshooting the entire video. Now let's get to the unboxing. Unbox Levi. Okay, review time. Like, I don't know if it's an actual review because obviously I'm not that good when it comes to like anime figures. I like purchasing them here every like now and then, but I don't really consider myself an enthusiast. Like, I don't have the financial means to buy every single thing, but when I do find a figure I want or an anime character that I like, I try to find a good quality figure of them. So right now, a lot of my collection is obviously focused on Levi Ackerman goods, but then I do have other favorite anime characters that I like to collect. And one of them, of course, is Giyu Tomioka from Kimetsu no Yaiba. Kimetsu no Yaiba, Demon Slayer. Now, I really like Pop-Up Parade figures. I don't own one aside from this is my first one, but then this one belongs to my partner. She is Megumin from Konosuba. I don't watch that anime, but then I really do like the quality of the figure. I like the PVC material and of course the detailing on the figure. I feel like Pop-Up Parade is a good mid-tier figure for anyone that is looking for something that is better than the price figure, but not quite like a resin figure. Like, if you're like, but if your budget is like very mid-tier, I think they're the perfect line for you. So as you can see, she looks really cute. I love the detail. I love her cape. And so when I saw this in Lashinbang in Ikebukuro, I just had to get it. He looks so handsome as well. I wish he was doing something. I mean, if you look at Megumin, she obviously has some cape action going on. He doesn't look like he has a lot of three-dimensional stuff going on. His pose looks a little bit dull, but I think it's a good figure. It retailed for like 3,000 yen, which is pretty cheap compared to like when you purchase it in the Philippines. I'm not so sure if they still carry this figure, but this is an unused, unopened, this was a secondhand but unopened figure. And in Japan, like, unopened figures, they're still very high quality. I mean, I don't know if that's like the case like for like 100% of everything that's in the market there, but they do like tend to say, or like they do tend to state it whenever the figure has some sort of damage on it. So yes, very good quality and quite good value for the money. I thought I should show you Rem from ReZero as well. She is also a Pop-Up Parade figure. The base is very plasticky. It's just like very similar to Giyu-san's base. The detail is a lot better than, let's say, a Sega figure. I know there is a bit of a price difference between the two, but then if you are collecting figures, I would recommend getting a Pop-Up Parade one. There's a Ram figure right in the glass box behind me, but then she's all the way in the back, so I thought I should show you Rem instead. Oh my god, it's so hot. Okay, so this next figure is the love of my life. This is Levi. This is the season 4 finale Levi version, which I do not have. I did an unboxing of Levi in his original Scouts uniform. That was the Kotobukiya Art FX J figure, the Levi Fortitude figure. So this is actually, I had to look back. Like, this is my 4th Levi in my collection. If I could, I'd buy every single Levi out there. Now, I know it retailed for a lot more than I should have paid for. In shopping sites like Shopee, it retails for like 4,000 pesos, and that's already shipped. It ships all the way from Japan. But I didn't have a lot of confidence about buying from the shop because, like, they didn't have any people, like, there weren't much people purchasing from that shop. And you have to be always careful, like, when purchasing from, marketplaces like that, because some of the figures are fake. Now, this is an Ichiban Kuji figure, and it is also secondhand, so an Ichiban Kuji figure are lottery figures. I'm not so sure if this is the first prize. Because it's a Kuji figure, the paint quality is a lot less than the Pop-Up Parade of Giyu Tomioka, but then I really do like it because I feel like it's very displayable, if you get what I mean. I mean, it's Levi in action, unlike when you look at Giyu-san here, he's just like standing there and looking cute. Levi here is in action, obviously, in the battlefield again and looking cute. This Kuji figure has been on my radar for like the longest time, ever since I think it was announced in September 2024, if I'm not mistaken. I put it on my wish list, and I'm so happy I actually got it. Even though it is priced slightly higher, I still think that it was worth it, because at least I got to see the figure before I decided to purchase it. And it came with its actual box. Although it is a secondhand figure, I still do think that it has very good quality. There were no damages to the box or damages to the figure itself, and he looks very handsome. Look at him. I think like when it comes to Levi figures, it's always a sort of like a hit or miss. There are some Levi figures wherein he looks sort of like cross-eyed. Why are the dogs fighting? But there are some Levi figures wherein he looks super cross-eyed, and this is definitely not that. Maybe it's because he has a bandage on one eye, I don't know. That being said, I do love my boys. They look so good. They look so handsome. Now, other things I bought from Japan is this acrylic figure. I know I didn't realize like that these were gonna be so expensive. I didn't expect it. I mean, it's just an acrylic figure. But it is licensed goods, so I should have known better. So I just decided to buy one. I really like this because it has, obviously, Levi carrying his small self. And see what he looks like. I think that these would look really good. They actually have very high quality print. And look, there's a little Levi right there. Isn't he cute? I also got this Ghetto coaster. But I don't think I'm gonna use it as a coaster because I don't wanna use it as a coaster. He looks so cute and so handsome. I like the premature Ghetto design. I'm not a big fan of him looking like a cult king, cult priest. I really like this. He's so cute. I don't think I'll use it as a coaster. I also got this. I just had to. I'm gonna be placing like my Pasmo card here, so whenever I get the chance to go back to Japan, I have Levi with me. Oh, it comes with like a chain on the back. So I got this from Akihabara Don Quixote. So maybe if you're like staying in the area, just know that you can actually get really good quality and you can find a very good range of anime goods in Don Quixote. And I don't think that you can say the same thing if you went to like Don Quixote in Shinjuku or anywhere else. And during our visit, there wasn't even a lot of people. Like, the lines aren't as crazy as Shibuya or Shinjuku or whatever. So yeah, if you're staying in Akihabara, definitely check out the Don Quixote there. Is the Don Quixote in Electric Town, just to be clear. I also got like this cute little button, which I got from La Shinbang in Suzuki No. So yeah, another Levi's good. These buttons I just got from like a local art fair. Now this button, funny story. So there was like a pop-up shop of like Windbreaker and their collaboration with Sanrio, and I got one of the buttons, not realizing it was gonna be a blind box. Like, I literally did not look at the packaging or the back of the packaging at all. I didn't finish watching Windbreaker. I don't think it's my cup of tea. Maybe I'll give it another chance. But then that's why I don't know who this is. Like, I thought literally that I was gonna get Sakura from Windbreaker, the protagonist, and I ended up with this guy. I think he's like the villain or the guy from the other school. Let me know if I'm wrong or not. He looks cute though. It's just not my favorite because I wanted Sakura. Now I also got this from Animate in Ikebukuro. The lines were crazy and I regret buying there because you can find this like anywhere else. I think the prices are just slightly different, but then it's really cute. Look at Geto. Oh my god, he has a little bun on his head. Oh my god. And this one, this is actually also a licensed good. I got it from Terminal 1 in Narita Airport. This is Levi. Oh my gosh, there is a theme. I got every single Levi item from the final season. He looks so cute. I forgot the line for this, but then there are many variations of this. There you can also get Frieren, Himmel, and the other cast members from the show, and there are also like Haikyuu versions and Naruto versions, of course. But yeah, obviously I got Levi. He looks so cute. Oh my god, you guys, there's still blades. Let me just put this real quick. I didn't notice. I didn't notice the blades, Kia. Where do these go? Oh, they go on his arm. Let me just figure that out. Ah, God, found it. Okay, he looks complete now. Now, finally, I wanted to show this to you guys because my boyfriend pre-ordered like free rent figures, and I think that this would be a good background for it. Obviously this is for folders, but then let's be honest, I'm not going to use it as a folder. I mean, it is of Himmel and of Frieren. This is the scene wherein she got sick. I love that anime a lot. I don't have a figure of Frieren, but fingers crossed I have one by February. So yeah, I think I yapped on for long enough. I really do appreciate it if you made it this far. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to. I'll see you on my next video, and hopefully you guys watch my Japan trip. Lots of exciting experience. I had like lots of like exciting experiences then. But anyway, enough chit chat. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.